Okay, hey you guys, today I decided that I would do a top 10 skin and hair care must-have video, because since I'm really into like beauty and products and stuff. Hey guys, okay, so today I'm going to be doing a video just basically on my hair. I get a lot of questions on my hair in general, like if I ever get it colored, what products I use, how many. Alright, so this is a video that I've been wanting to make for a while. Okay, it's obvious that when you're on YouTube, people aren't going to agree with what you're saying, right? It's obvious. Like, obviously there's going to be controversy. You're going to have an opinion. Alright, so basically I know this person in jail, and I know it's a really, really sad topic and all of that stuff, but I have never known somebody in jail, so I'm actually pretty excited about it, and Hey guys, alright, so if you haven't noticed lately, I have been loving bright lips, and I've been rocking it a lot in my videos lately. I went to MAC and I bought like so many bright lipstick shades, and I think I'm gonna do a favorite lip products video and then include some of my favorite lipsticks. Hey guys, it's Gigi. My foundation routine is one of the most requested videos that you guys asked me to do, so here you go. I've tried so many different foundations in my life, and this is the routine that works best for me for creating a flawless face and perfect canvas for any makeup look. And if you'd like to see the completed look of what I'm wearing right now, stay tuned for part 2 where I go over the eye.
Hey guys, it's Gigi. I thought that I would like to sit down today and talk about hate. So here on YouTube and the internet in general, people can be really cruel. I find that I get asked a lot about how I deal with hate, and you know, I see so much hate on your stuff, and how do you deal with it all? I don't know if I'd be able to.
Hi guys, it's Gigi, and today I'm going to be doing my August monthly favorites video, and it's so sad because summer is now over. Not fair. But I hope you guys are all excited about the new school year coming up. Seems like Bella is. So I just wanted to get into my first favorite because I'm like over.
Hey guys, it's Gigi. So we're here in Cannes today, and the weather was so amazing. We had to call the yacht out and have a boat day. So we're gonna head to Saint-Tropez.
Hi guys, it's Gigi. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be making a video today that I never thought that I would address in my entire life, but I woke up today and I felt compelled to make this video because I've been really proud of my journey and my success in quitting smoking cigarettes. I'm starting out with a clean face. There's absolutely nothing on my face right now but this Revlon Color Charge Liquid Illuminator. I have a thin layer of this on right now, and I love, love, love this product because it kind of gives you that little sheen from within.